guys, today on Kids Dream Toys we got the Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Minnie's Valentine book. Come read with us. Hello everybody. Do you want to come to the clubhouse with me? Do you, Lottie? Well, alright, let's go. Just say Meeska, Mooska, Mickey Mouse. Today is February 14th. It's a special day, but I can't remember why. Let's check the mailbox. Look at all these cards. Now I know why this day is special. Do you? What day could it be? Valentine's? Super cheers! Today is Valentine's Day, but I don't have a present for Minnie. What should I do? Do you hear the doorbell ring? Let's see who it is. Hello, I'm Mickey Mouse. It's nice to meet you, Miss M. Can you help me find a present for Minnie? That's great. Miss M says to check the weather. It will give me a clue. Look outside the clubhouse door. What is the weather like today? What's it doing?
I'm the weather person, Mama.
You're the weather person? What's it doing? Is it snowing? You betcha. It is cold outside. Minnie's ears have always tinkled when it's cold. Maybe I should give Minnie something to keep her ears warm on a frosty winter day. What could that be? A hat. That's a perfect present. But how will I find a hat for Minnie? Great idea, Miss M. I can knit a hat for Minnie. First, I need to get some wool. Miss M says to find an animal that says, bah, bah. Oh, Toodles. Can you help us? A cow, a duck, a sheep, and a dog. Does a dog say bah? Does it? No, but a sheep sure does. I can get the wool from a sheep. Oh boy, 3 woolly sheep are outside my door. I can use their wool to make a hat, but I need to cut it first. Oh, Toodles! A hammer, an umbrella, a flashlight, or clippers. Which tool should I use? Which one? Good job! Clippers were exactly what I needed. The wool is clean and combed. Miss M says that I have to spin it now. I see a vacuum cleaner, a hair dryer, a spinning wheel, and a sewing machine. Which machine should I use? Which one? The spinning wheel worked. Nice going, everybody. Now I want to dye the wool pink. That's Minnie's favorite color. Can you find the 2 colors I can to mix to make pink? What colors does he mix? Red and white. That makes pink, Lottie. Eureka! Red and white make pink. The wool is all ready. It's time to knit the hat. Miss M has just the tools I need. Do you see them in her bag? Do you, Lottie? Minnie's hat is finally finished. Oh boy, am I tired. Goodbye, Miss M. Thanks for all your help. She looks pretty suspicious. Ding dong, Minnie is here. Do you think she'll like her present? Oh, Mickey, Minnie says. How did you ever know I wanted a pink hat? Minnie loves her new pink hat. How did Miss M know that that would be the perfect present? Thanks for reading with us today, guys, on Kids Dream Toys. This is the Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Minnie's Valentine book. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Kids Dream Toys. It's free.